It's time now for our personal finance corner. Gajendra Kothari of Etica Wealth Management is our expert this afternoon. Hi Gajendra, thanks very much for joining in. Rajesh Agarwal has written to us from Chennai. He wants some investment advice for his 23-year-old daughter who earns about 25,000 rupees a month and I suppose could invest at the max 1/3 of her income. So what's your advice?
Hello Mr. Rajesh. I think you're doing a fantastic thing, by making your daughter start early. She's just 23 and if she can start right away, she has a long way to go and this will really help her in building corpus. Now you're saying that she's currently getting 25,000 rupees as income and how much she should start investing. Well, obviously the more is better, as much as she could. If she is supported by you and you're taking care of her daily expenses, then I think maximum amount can go in investing. It could be for various purposes, for her retirement or for her marriage purpose, or it can be any other goal. But at least on a conservative basis, she should have a habit of saving at least 20% of her salary per month. So 25,000, 20% would be roughly 5,000, and she can start investing into mutual fund. And if she has a longer term, she can go into a balanced kind of a fund, wherein 65% is in equity and 35% is in debt. And some of the funds she can choose is HDFC Balance Funds, or ICICI Prudential Balance Fund, or Birla Sun Life 95 Balance Fund. One of these three funds you can start investing and have a horizon of 5 to 10 years. I think you'll be rewarded well.
Okay, let's get in our next query then. Prakash Jha has written to us from Patna. He wants to invest 5,000 rupees per month in mutual funds and he wants to know which funds he should be investing in. Gajendra? Let me just add, he expects a return of I think 4 lakh rupees after a period of 5 years.
Mr. Prakash, if you want to invest 5,000 rupees per month over next 5 years, and you mentioned that you want 4 lakh rupees, so the ideal way to invest would be to invest into a balanced kind of a mutual fund, wherein your risk-reward ratio is moderate. You can expect around 12% per annum returns over a 5-year period. If we assume 12% and 5,000 SIP, you would have put in roughly around 3 lakh rupees over a 5-year period. And at 12%, this would accumulate to roughly around 4,12,000, which is I think what you require. So I think this is quite an achievable goal. You can choose from funds in the balance funds category. You can choose any of these funds like ICICI Balance Fund or HDFC Balance Fund or Birla Sun Life Balance Fund. One of these funds would be good enough for you to start and continue. And I'm sure in 5 years' time, you'll be able to achieve your goal.
All right, Gajendra, thanks very much for joining in with that advice. And here's a note for all our viewers. Remember, you too can send in your personal finance query. Send us an SMS on 51818 or you can log on to moneycontrol.com and post your query on our message board. With that, we'll